Amid a magical blend of tradition and modernity, the royal family gathered at Westminster Abbey for the Princess of Wales' annual Christmas Carol concert, showcasing love, empathy, and unity. From Princess Charlotte mirroring her mother's style to heartwarming performances, the festive event reflected a year of resilience and togetherness. Westminster Abbey radiated Christmas cheer as the Princess of Wales led her family into the annual Together at Christmas Carol service. After a challenging year marked by a battle with cancer and her triumphant recovery, Kate, 42, hosted this special event, emphasizing themes of love, empathy, and the power of community. The princess dazzled in a striking Alexander McQueen red coat with a statement black bow, her ensemble completed with black Ralph Lauren boots and a touching gold bangle, a gift from Prince William with a nod to Princess Diana. Her radiant appearance underscored her determination to return to public life with grace and purpose, supported by her family and the Royal Foundation. The Wales children stole the spotlight with their impeccable style and poise. Princess Charlotte, 9, wore a burgundy coat reminiscent of her mother's outfit, creating a heartwarming mother-daughter fashion moment. Prince George, 11, and Prince Louis, 4, mirrored their father's dapper appearance, donning matching navy suits with festive red ties. Their father, Prince William, exuded pride as he escorted his 3 children into the abbey, embodying the strength and unity of their family. The congregation of 1,600 guests included notable members of the royal family and celebrities like Olivia Dean and Gregory Porter, along with everyday heroes recognized for their charitable contributions. Among them was RAF veteran Bernard Morgan, 100, who lit a candle in honor of volunteers, symbolizing the resilience and service of communities. Special performances by the Westminster Abbey Choir, the Royal Ballet, and musicians like Paloma Faith brought a harmonious blend of tradition and modernity to the event, while poignant readings from figures like Sophie Okonedo and Adam Peaty amplified the theme of empathy. Princess Beatrice also drew attention, arriving with her husband Edoardo Mapelli Mazzi and stepson Wolfie. Coordinating with the burgundy theme, Beatrice looked radiant in a long-line crimson coat and floral dress, complemented by her glowing maternity look as she prepares to welcome her second child. Guests such as Lord Frederick Windsor and his wife Sophie Winkleman brought their children, adding a charming touch of youthful exuberance to the occasion. Each family's presence highlighted the shared values of love and kindness that resonated throughout the evening. Kate's meticulous planning was evident in every detail, from the sustainable festive decorations adorning the abbey to the thoughtfully crafted kindness tree outside, where attendees dedicated ornaments to those who have supported them. A moving letter from the princess to guests reflected on the power of community, reminding everyone of the enduring significance of compassion during the holidays. The event also included moments of remembrance, such as a tribute to Liz Hatton, a young photographer whose life and courage inspired many before her recent passing. The Together at Christmas Carol concert was not just a royal spectacle but a heartfelt celebration of resilience, empathy, and the spirit of giving. As the event prepares to reach millions on ITV's Christmas Eve broadcast, it stands as a testament to the Princess of Wales' unwavering dedication to uplifting communities and creating moments of togetherness. In a year marked by challenges, the service illuminated the true meaning of the season: unity, love, and hope for a brighter future.